Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 4 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Just checking that into the weekly. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's farm. 2244. Minimum rounds to complete all tasks. Seems like they've been taking it from recent contests. That's why I keep on having to reset. Because I don't remember when this. I only could tell because of the number seems high enough that is recent. And I participate in all the contests recently, or virtually anyway. All right, let's take a look. So minimum rounds to complete all tasks. So you have tasks. You have difficulty level of a task. In each round, you complete either 2 or 3 tasks of the same difficulty level. Okay. Only 2 or 3. And you have to do exactly 2 or 3. Okay. Yeah. So first thing first. Well, hit all the buttons, but I'm also going to do an extra prompt that I haven't done. Just a bonus question. Sometimes it's premium, sometimes it's not. So definitely hit the subscribe button and all the bells and whatever, and do an extra prompt with me if you feel like you've done this one recently, which I have. So yeah. Okay. So basically, the first thing to note is that it doesn't really matter. Minimum rounds. Okay. So basically you have to do the same difficulty level, right? So the first thing I would do is just collections.counter, tasks, and then just like, I don't know, just call it T, say, right? And we only care about the T.values because the difficulty level key doesn't matter, right? Like we don't care that's 2 or 3. So then maybe we have something like for X in this. And for each X, I feel like we have, for each X, we have an we have a formula, if you will, thinking about it. I think this is one of those ad hoc ones where you just have to think about it, right? Because basically, I think for big enough number, we can do the math because it's just for, basically if there's only one of them, then you cannot do it, right? So if there's 2, then you do 2. If it's 3, you do 3. If it's 4, you do 2 2s. If it's 5, you do 2 and 3. If it's 6, you do 3 3. For minimal, you could also do 2 2 2, but 3 3. And then for 7, it's 3 2 2, and so forth, right? So maybe we could come up with a pattern, and we can just draw it out real quick, right? So 1 is equal to -1, 2 is equal to 1, 3 is equal to 1. 4 is equal to 2, 5 is equal to 2, 6 is equal to 2, and then 7 is equal to 2, 2, 3, right? So that's 3, and the other way is, you can't do any others. So yeah, 8 is 3, 3, 2, right? So that's going to be 3. 9 is 3, 3, 3, so that's 3. But it also seems like only 1 is impossible, right? So everything else is going to be just x divided by 3, maybe. Well, round it up. So yeah. Okay, so that means that round, if x is equal to -1, we return, or if it's equal to 1, we return -1. Otherwise, we just do round up to the next multiple of 3, which the way that I write it is going to be something like this, right? You can see why this is round up to the next number of 3 if you just work it out. I'm not going to explain it that much. Maybe I could explain it. But you can just test it for all 3 numbers and kind of work that intuition and visualization yourself. So let's give it a submit. Unless I missed something. I hope I didn't. Okay, cool. Yeah, 1009, yay. This is going to be linear time. I guess linear space the way that I did it. Can you do it better than linear space? I mean, obviously you can do better than linear time because you have to look at everything. But linear space, I mean, if you sort and then you can do constant space, well, depending on how if you want to count the sorting as linear space. So yeah, I don't know that you can do better than that. But yeah, what did I do last time? I'm just curious how did I do in the contest. I guess I did it the same way during the contest, but I didn't really prove it as quickly. And I just did kind of I guess during the contest during this contest, it wasn't that well, I guess it was last year now. Forget what year I am. But Yeah, I mean, I think this is the same idea that I had this time, which is that it's just ad hoc. And once you draw it out, which I deleted, but once you draw it out, it becomes more clear. Um, yeah. That's what I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Um, yeah, I mean, I think that's what I have. I'm just trying to think whether, but yeah, I'm gonna do an extra problem because I think this one went pretty quickly. Probably better than when I did it during the contest. I don't know, but let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.